Yo, stop caring about your content, man. I've got a simple mindset shift that will get you creating like a pro in no time. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So many creators I meet are stuck in the vicious cycle of trying to create perfect content. They're so focused on making everything just right, they're actually messing up their own creativity. They're overthinking every single word, every frame, every note, and it's killing the momentum. And we all know, when you're ready to go, you gotta go. The fear of judgment is a big one. What if people don't like my work? What if they don't think I'm good enough? You know, that fear can be paralyzing. Perfectionism is another common obstacle. If it's not perfect, it's not worth sharing. And then there's the self-doubt. Am I really good enough to be doing this? Should I just quit now and avoid the embarrassment of being a failure? These fears and doubts can be overwhelming, and they can keep you from ever hitting that publish button. You see, when you're so focused on creating perfect content, you start to lose sight of why you started creating in the first place. You start to lose the joy, the excitement, the passion, and that's when you start to feel like you're just going through the motions. But what if you actually flipped the script? What if you started focusing on the fact of creation itself rather than the end product? So let's think about it. The people we admire most, the ones who are truly making the impact, are the ones that are allowing themselves to be imperfect, right? They're the ones that are taking risks, who are experimenting, who are trying new things. They're not just waiting for everything to be just right before they share it with the world, right? They're sharing their journey and not just the final product. And you know what? That's where the magic really happens. The journey of creating is so much more valuable than the fear of not making perfect content. It's the journey that helps you grow. It helps you become the best version of yourself, right? It's the journey that connects you with others, it inspires them, and it resonates with them on a deeper level. So why are we so focused on the end product when the real value is the journey itself? So I want to hear from you. Have you ever struggled with the need to perfect your content, and how did you overcome it? Do me a favor and share the experiences in the comments below. And if you're struggling with creative blocks, be sure to check out my videos, because I also suffer with creative block from time to time, and I know how it can be overwhelming. So let's exchange strategies, right? Thanks, guys, for watching, and as always, stay positive, stay motivated, stay inspired, and most importantly, stay rocking with Ace. Peace.